Welcome to CodeRush, Feature of the Week. Well, Mark, what do we got this week?
Rory, this week we've got V for variables. V for variables. Now in programming, Rory, we've got several places where we can use variables. We've got them, like for example, here we can use variables. We can use variables here in the form of parameters, and we can use variables here inside the body of methods. Three different places. But with CodeRush, you're going to use the same letter, the same declaration verb, the letter V. This is when I say declaration verb, I'm referring to M for methods, P for properties, T for types, C for casting, N for new instances, all the other videos that we've done on this topic.
We should write our own little alphabet book. We could bring kids up on it. It'd be great.
That's right. Exactly. M for methods. M stands for method. Right, exactly. So not mouse, it's method. All right. So we could, and we could venture off into comedy, or we could stay focused on CodeRush and just show people how to do this. So let's do that. Let's do that. All right. So I want to create a new variable. So for example, right up here, I've got this detail level, new detail level. Let's say I want to create something like that. Detail level, I've already added. I've right-clicked it. I've chosen use type in templates, and I've already added that to my list of template name variables. So I have a shortcut for that already. So if I type in, like, for example, TDL, you'll see detail level expand. So T was for type reference, and DL was the shortcut I gave it right there. Or if I'm up here and I type in MDL like that, and I hit the space bar or the tab key to expand it, I get a method that returns a detail level. So I've already added detail level. And for more information on that, see the use type in templates feature of the week video. But now that I have it, I can just type in V and then a DL like that, and it'll give me something that looks like that. And then I can just specify the name of it, whatever I want to call it. And there I've got my declaration. So the letter V followed by the shortcut for it. Similarly, I can use like B for Boolean. So VB is going to give me a Boolean variable right there. And I can specify whatever I want it to be. VS is going to give me a string, right? Now I said we can use that same letter everywhere. So that means I can come up here and I can type in VS as well to get a string declaration. And Rory, that V declaration verb also works with generic types as well. So if I want to create a new variable out here, a field variable that's a list of detail levels, for example, I can type in V and then L dot for a generic list and then DL for my detail levels again, and it gives me that declaration. So it's very short, very fast. I could do, for example, the dictionary of int indexed strings, for example, like that. And then it'll give me this. So I can, it works with generics, and it works the same way as all of the other declaration verbs. One thing I also want to show you, though, is for parameters, check this out. If I'm here and I want to add a new variable of, let's say string right here, I just type in VS. And notice there's no comma after the E, right? I do not have to add that comma. I just type in VS, the space bar or the tab key, whichever I've set up to expand templates. And notice it adds the comma for me automatically.
Very nice.
And that's it.
Hey, hang on a second, Mark. I noticed you got a VB program over there. Does this stuff all work with VB as well?
It does, Rory. Let me just show you that very quickly here. Come out here. Let's type in VS. There's my new private field as string, right? Let's come in over here into the args for main. Type in VS as well. Notice it says by val.
Very nice.
Right? Param name as string. It added the comma for me automatically. Let's go inside the method. Type in VS. The same template expands differently depending on where you are. And it doesn't matter if I'm in C# or VB, CodeRush knows how to expand that template and gives me a variable, whether it's a parameter, a local, or a variable of the class, the type I'm in, gives that to me, and I don't have to think about anything else.
That's fantastic. So doesn't matter what language I'm in, VB, C#, doesn't matter whether I'm trying to make a field, trying to make a parameter, trying to make a local variable. I just need to know it's a variable, and variable begins with V. So V followed by the meat of the whole point here is what type. And of course the type system, exactly as it's been for method construction, property construction, type construction, all of those things that we've discussed in the past. And of course we can use your own custom types. Again, see our use type in templates video for some more detail on that. But basically we've got you covered from pretty much every angle you could imagine. This is fantastic. Simple V, type mnemonic, and you're done.
Let me show you one more thing that I forgot to mention.
Okay, one more thing. Go on.
And then you're out. We're out. If I don't have a type as part of that list, like for example, I've got virtual type here, I can right-click it and choose Use Type in Templates, give it a shortcut like VT. I can add it very quickly. But I can also, if I don't want to do that, I can just copy it to the clipboard and then use the slash key. So V followed by a backslash like that is going to be a variable of that type. Or I can type in V, for example, list of that, for example. So there's a generic list of virtual type. It's just a very fast way to declare variables. And now, Rory, we're out.
I was going to say, I give you one more, Mark. You can use the / character to emit the type that you are within. So if you wanted to make a factory method that returns an item of this type, you can do that as well.
Exactly. So to do that, I would do M followed by the / like that. That's my factory right there. And then inside my factory, I might have a variable of the same type as the class that I'm in. And I just do exactly what you said, V plus /, and that does a reference to the type that we're in. And that's it.
That's it. Thank you very much, Mark. All those variations, very useful indeed. Going to help us do some awesome coding. We'll see you next week on CodeRush Feature of the Week. For more Feature of the Week videos, click one of the 2 video links on screen or select from our playlist. Download and learn more about CodeRush from the DevExpress website. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive all the latest CodeRush feature videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.